Learn how to create this comparison video using CapCut and Canva. Go to canva.com, click on Create a Design, go to Custom Size and create a new design, at least 5,000 by 1,000 pixels. Now you can start customizing your general item layout. After you're happy with the design, copy and paste everything. Position the new element to the side and repeat until you have the desired number of items. Now, begin to customize each item of your list. You can find a variety of elements directly within Canva's library, or you can just use your own by uploading them in your Canva project. When you are done, download your design as a PNG file. Now, import the PNG in CapCut. Drag it on the timeline, adjust the screen ratio, and also the position of the first item on the screen. Go to the beginning of the timeline and make a keyframe for the position. Then go further on the timeline and create the second keyframe by positioning the last item so we can see it. And you're done.